Hello everyone, welcome to the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. I am Krishna Chaitanya and this is Crack the Logic with KC. Over the next 100 days, you will be solving one hand-picked LRDI set every single day, a mix of basic to advanced questions which cover all the concepts required for CAT. We are also uploading quant and verbal videos as a part of this series. Make sure you watch all the 3 playlists for a complete preparation. To practice under exam pressure, all the sets we are discussing over here across all the sections are available in our website for completely free of cost. Just sign up to www.thegurukul.org.in and you can find a course called 100 Days Race to CAT. And all the sets over here are completely free for you to practice. Remember, CAT exam isn't about how perfect you are, it is about how consistent you are in your preparation. So let's not waste time and quickly jump into the video. So today we'll be solving one more LRDI problem, and before we move on to the video, pause the video, try to solve the problem, and then we'll discuss what is happening in the question. Okay, let's see. 6 companies A, B, C, D, E, F recruited some students from each college P, Q, R, S, T, V. The packages per student offered by 2 or more companies may be different, but each company offered the same package in all the colleges. So maybe if A and B are 2 different companies, A can offer a different package, B can offer a different package. But when A is going to every college, P, Q, R, S, T, V, it offers the same package in every college. The sum of the and some information over there, the sum of the packages of all the recruited students from college P was 21 lakh, Q, R, S, T, U is something respectively. Note, the packages per student offered by each company was always an integer, which means there is no decimal part, followed with 4 questions. So let's see what is happening. And we have 2 different, one is a table and one is a bar graph, and the bar graph given below shows the total amount of package offered by each of the companies as a percentage of their revenue in 2015. The table given below shows the details about the number of students recruited from each college by the given companies. That is the information. Before we move on, let the package per student offered by company A, B, C, D, E, F be A rupees, B rupees, C rupees, D rupees, E and F. This company offered A rupees, B, C, D, E and F rupees. Okay. Now, let's look at this first table first, then we'll come back to this graph. The sum of the packages of all the students recruited from college P was 21 lakh, which means this 21 lakh is equal to, one student went to company A, he got A rupees as the package. 2 students went to company B, so he got 2B rupees as the package. 1 student to C, 1C plus 1D plus 3E plus 1F. Can I say this is the only story which is happening? The same way for the second company, it is 41 lakh. For which company? Q. So 41 should be equal to 5A plus 3B plus 2C plus 1C plus 1D plus 2E plus 3F. The same way, write for all the 6 companies and then we'll see what is happening. Quickly write down. So these are the equations we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different equations. Equation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hope everyone got the equations. Perfect. Now if you do equation 3 minus equation 6. Equation 3 minus equation 6. What do I get? Observe carefully equation 3 and equation 6. 6 minus 3 or 3 minus 6, whatever. Then we will be getting A minus B minus C. Remaining all are equal. So A plus B plus C is equal to 8. That is what we are getting. Okay. And he also gave the package per student offered by company B was less than that offered by C but more than that offered by A. So A value is less than B, B value is less than C. Because A, B, C are the packages offered by company A, B and C respectively. Now what can be the possibilities for this one? This can have two possibilities. It can be 1, 2, 5 or 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5 or 1, 3 and 4. We will have two different possibilities. So let's start with case number 1. Case 1. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 5. 1, 2 and 5. Then if I substitute in the equations which I have, that is 1, 2 and 3 equations, find out what are the new equations in terms of D, E and F. Okay, so these are the three equations we will get. If I substitute these values in equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. If you are clear with how to solve the three equations, three variables, after you solve, we will realize this is not giving integer values for A, D, E and F. But they clearly gave us the salaries offered by every company is an integer value. So this is not happening. But before we move on, I want you to solve these three equations individually. Whenever you have three equations, add two equations or subtract two equations. You'll get new equation. Subtract this two, you'll get new equation. Then solve those two equations. That is how we solve three equations, three variables. Like how we discussed in simple equations chapter in the starting of the course. Okay? If this is not working, then we will have case 2 where A is equal to 1, B equal to 3, C is equal to 4. Now again substitute these three values in equation 1, 2 and 3. Then frame some new equations. So we will get these three as the new equations. Now once I get those three as the new equations, take this 2, eliminate D, you will get something in E and F. Take this 2, eliminate D, you will get something in E and F. Now your three equations, three variables will turn out to be two equations, two variables. Find out these two variables, substitute in first equation, you will get the third variable which you eliminated. That is how generally we solve three equations and three variables. Okay, because we are in the revision part and workshop classes, we are not doing that. You are supposed to pause the video and calculate that values over here and tell me which values you got. Perfect. D value equal to 2, E equal to 1, F is equal to 3. What is the 2, 1 and 3? Those are the salaries given by company D, company E and company F respectively. Okay, now you know ABC values and DEF values also. Next, what we need to do? Now, we solved all these equations because the sum of the packages of all the students recruited from college P. So this is with respect to colleges. Now let us go back and see how much amount did A spend in recruiting. Okay, I know A value is 1. So 1 into, it gave 1 lakh for one employee in P college, 5 employees in Q college, 2 employees, 3 employees, 5 employees and 3 employees. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19. So A spent a total of 19 lakhs in this recruiting process. Same way, B spent how much? B is having 3 lakh in every company. What are the employees? 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. This will be equal to total amount spent. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14 plus 2, 16. 16 into 3. It spent a total of 48 lakhs in all the companies. All the colleges by company B. The same way, calculate for C, D, E and F. Pause the video, calculate and then we'll discuss. Perfect. These are the values for every company. Okay. Now what is the first one? A spent 10% of the total company. The bar graph given shows below the total amount of package offered by each of the companies as a percentage of their total revenue. So this 19 lakh which is given by company A is 10% of their total revenue. The same way 48 lakhs is 16% of their revenue. Now let us go back and calculate what is the revenue of company A, B, C, D and F. So 10% of revenue of company A is equal to 19 lakh. So revenue of company A is equal to how much? If 10% is 19, total revenue will be equal to 190. Now, second one, 16% of revenue of company B is equal to 48 lakhs over here. So revenue of B will be equal to how much? If 16% is 48, total revenue will be equal to 300. The same way, pause the video, calculate revenue of C, revenue of D, revenue of E, and revenue of F. Clear? So these are the revenues of the companies. These are the amounts paid by each company in all the colleges together. These are the amounts in every college. Okay, let's look at the first question. What is the revenue of company B? Company B revenue is 300. The sum of the total packages offered by companies B, D and E was approximately what percentage of the sum of the revenues of the three companies? So total packages offered will be equal to 48 plus 22 plus 20. That's what we got here. 48, 22 and 20. Okay. Now total revenues of these three companies revenues will be how much? B, D and E. That is 190, 256 and 250. Perfect. That is 696. We want percentage, approximately what percentage? So into 100. So 90 by, this is what they are asking, 90 by 696 into 100. And all the options are very close to each other, so we should not approximate. Use the calculator and get the exact answer. Perfect. That will be 12.93. The lowest value of package per student was offered by, lowest is offered by whom? A is offering 1 lakh, E is also offering 1 lakh only. That is the lowest. So both company A and company E are offering the lowest. Which company offered the maximum package per student? Maximum package is with company C, that is offering 4 lakh. Company C, option B. Okay, perfect. So with this we'll end the set over here. Now pause the video, try to solve the whole problem one more time. If you observe, this complete data interpretation set is based on a lot of equation solving. Okay, so we are solving 6 equations separately and then 3 equations 2 to 3 times and verifying the answers. So pause the video, it's okay, solve the whole problem one more time. And also comment down how many answers you got correct and how much time you took to solve those questions. See you in the next video guys, and it's okay if you are doing some small mistake while you are using calculations. Okay, we will improve as we move on, so don't worry about that and try to understand the concepts and the logic behind solving the questions. Okay, take care guys, see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share and subscribe.